Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to Stock Chats. Remember, this is not investment advice. If you need investment advice, speak to your reputable licensed financial advisor. Thank you to all my subscribers. Thank you for sharing, liking, commenting on the different stock chats that we have had so far. Now, the big one right now is one of the other giants we spoke about, Grace Kennedy, doing big moves. And now the other giant, the biggest giant of all on the Jamaica Stock Exchange, NCB Financial Group Limited, is starting to make their own waves and movements. Now NCB, everybody in Jamaica should know NCB Financial Group Limited. They have the NCB Bank that a lot of persons have their accounts at. They also have subsidiaries in Bermuda, the Clarion Bank. They also have the subsidiary, the major Trinidadian company, insurance company, Guardian Life, which they recently acquired, and a number of other investments that they have. Now, NCB has successfully raised over $35 billion on the international debt securities market. Now, this is really interesting. We'd really like to know, what NCB is going to be doing with this. They have been able to successfully raise 250 million US on the international market. So this is why it is really interesting, because NCB is not raising this capital like Barita. Barita raised like 4 million recently on the local market. NCB went to the international market, and the international institution that ranks investments internationally, Fitch, gave them a BB rating, which provides an outlook of a stable outlook, and the BB rating is just below the investment rating. So it shows that the international market is very confident with NCB and is willing to place their money even in this time of pandemic with NCB. Also, there was also news that NCB also raised other cash through Guardian Life, so on the international market. So, big things could be coming for NCB. We'd have to look at this one closely. Some interesting things to note in regards to the subsidiary Clarion. There has been some bad loans on that side, which Clarion is a bank in Bermuda, and Bermuda is now being rapidly affected by the pandemic, and so some of the creditees are not able to repay their loans, and so you could look out for that on the profit and loss and the balance sheet for NCB in the next quarter to see how things are going. So have a good weekend and have a happy investing, and remember to like, share and subscribe.